Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Bala. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, madam. Good evening, process.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, madam.
Sir, I have morning batch, sir.
Yeah, no problem, dear.
I filled the attendance for morning, sir.
You can
This week,
fill
sir.
any of these sessions attendance, but you'll have to mention which batch you originally belong to. That's
Okay, sir.
enough.
Thanks.
Yeah, thank you.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, ma. Good evening, ma. Good evening, ma. A very good evening, dear friends. We shall wait for another minute for other participants to join. We are about 36 people. Another 15 to 20 people have to join. Kindly bear with us. Shall we wait for another minute or shall we begin?
So we can wait for a minute.
Yeah. 5:35 we begin exactly.
Okay. Sir.
So good evening, dear friends. It is time for us to go ahead because we waited for 5 minutes. My dear friends, I congratulate you all for the wonderful, attempt or maybe the contact of the test. All of you have attended well, and many of you have scored very good marks, and your designs were really very much attracting. very professional too. I would like to just go ahead with the questions that we had on the other day. These were the questions asked. Yeah. Now, what is the default Photoshop file format?
PSD, sir.
PSD.
PST is the right answer. Yes. What is the best resolution for image used in computer or website?
72 to 100 makes 100.
Yeah. First option is the right one. And shortcut key for layer palette.
F7, sir.
F7 is the right answer. And the following tool is, which of the following tool is used for cropping in a circle? Elliptical marquee tool. Yes. Very nice. Which of the following tool is used for selecting single color in a layer?
Magic.
Magic Wand tool. Yes. Excellent. Shortcut key for resizing.
Control T, sir.
Control T. Dash is to have fill more than one color.
Gradient overlay, sir.
Gradient overlay. Yeah. Gradient overlay. Best size for invitations?
8 into 6.
8 into 6.
8 into 6. Excellent. Excellent. You can go for any. You can go for any size. Invitation can be of any size.
But the standard
Yeah. Best size is best size will be out of all these 8 into 6. Shortcut key for continuous undoing in Photoshop.
Control Alt.
Control Alt is it. Control is it for only once. Okay.
Yes.
What is the option to bring a file front or back? Layer. Arrange. Yes, exactly.
Arrange.
And now, with your answer, see, around 12 of you have scored 10 marks. 12 of you. Around 9 of you have scored 9 marks. 9 of you have scored 8 marks. 23 of you have scored 7 marks. And 10 of you have scored 6 marks. 9 of you have scored 5 marks. 2 of you have scored 4 marks. 2 of you have scored 3 marks. 2 of you have scored 2 marks. Okay. So this is the average score of the class is 7.14. 7.14. Yes, madam.
Sir, the answer of that question, which of the following option facilitates filling more than one color on a layer? What is the correct answer is, sir?
Correct answer is 1 minute, madam. Which are
So gradient overlay.
gradient overlay is the right answer.
Sir, I checked that only and it is my
Yeah.
wrong and
Yeah. The thing is that it is set as wrong. I'm coming to you. Actually, you are right. Gradient overlay is the right answer, but here the option chosen is pattern overlay. Actually, gradient overlay is the right answer, so we can increase 1 marks for everyone.
same.
Okay.
Yes, sir. I
Yeah.
got 9. So, sir,
So now you get 10 marks. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
That's really fine. So the number will increase. So those who scored, number will increase. Okay. I also appreciate you for the designs that you have submitted. 78 of you have attempted. It is really a good number. I really salute you all people who are doing other works. For example, you are teaching, you are working, you are studying, but still you are able to make it. I really appreciate you all for the commitment and the efforts that you are making. Thank you. Rajeshwari ma'am, 8 into 6 and 6 into 8 both are same, madam. Any way you can have. It is all orientation. You can have it in any orientation, no problem. Now, dear friends, today it's going to be a simple learning. It's going to be a very, very simple learning today. I'm going to give you a demonstration on designing desktop, your computer or laptop wallpapers. I'm going to design my desktop wallpaper, my own wallpaper and my own mobile screen design or mobile screen wallpaper. Right. Okay. File, new. And where do I go? So go to custom. Okay, there you will find web. Click on that. You will have so many sizes. These are all so many sizes. But the better sizes, look at here, each monitor is it's in one way. Each monitor is in one way. Okay, for example, see, I have the wide monitor. So it is, pixel for my monitor is, it should be in pixel. When you design for computer, it should be in pixel. If you know exact size in inch, then you can give no problem. But most probably it is in pixels. I can also search in Google. For example, I go to Google and search for it. Look at here. For example, best screen size for wide screen computers, widescreen computers. Okay, you can just click over here, screen size for. Okay, look at here, 1900 into 1200. 1900 into 1200. You can have like that. 1900 into 1200. See, you can just copy it. Just copy it down. If it is 19-inch screen, it is 280 into 1024. 19-inch. If it is 19-inch, please make note of it. If it is 19-inch, it should be 1280 into 1024. If it is 20-inch screen, it should be 1600 into 1200. Please mark it. You may know your screen, no, 20-inch monitor, or see, how should you calculate it? You should calculate it in the cross way, not in the straight manner. Diagonal. You should calculate in the diagonal. If it is 20-inch, that is 1600 into 1200. 22-inch means 1680 plus 1050. Okay, 1680 into 1050. Am I clear to you? I'm going for this. 1680 into 1050. So I go here. 1000. What was the value? Look at here. 1680 into 1050.
Yes.
1680 into 1050. And what should be the resolution? Please tell me what should be the resolution. Can anyone tell me what should be the resolution?
72 to 100.
72 to 100. Yeah, I keep it 72. Okay, I just press OK. So I've got the screen. See, this is the screen, wide screen. So I've got it. Now I have to design a beautiful background. Okay. Right. To begin with, you can design your own background. Right now, I want to go to internet and search for some beautiful wallpapers. Computer wallpaper. Okay. Whatever background that you want, you can go. See, for example, artistic background or natural scenery, anything. You can go for any fine colors. For example, blue color or any color that you can go for. See here, these are all various backgrounds available. You can go for your own background as you like. Choose something which is very good for you. Which one is good? You can choose the best one. You can choose the best one for the design. If you don't like this, for example, wallpaper on natural scenery. You can give like this. See, you've got beautiful wallpapers and you can have some text over that. See, I just click over it. Right click, copy and bring it here. I pasted it. See, it's a beautiful image actually. Yeah. Now I just click over it, and if it is not proper, you can, by pressing shift key, you can take it. Okay, for example, see here at the bottom, I can go for, see, I just go with, see, the creativity is yours. Absolutely, the creativity is yours. I'm going for that green one. You can go for it. See, I decreased it. I'm trying to cover the portion at the bottom, right? Okay. Almost, right? Okay. We have done something. We have managed it. Now I want to give a beautiful quotation there. Or I want to just have a quotation or your photograph. You can keep your photograph. You can keep a word, or you can keep a picture, file, or maybe a verse, Bible verse or Gita verse. Anything can be brought here. For example, I just want to type here. Rejoice in the Lord. Rejoice in the Lord always. What is the quotation that I want to bring here? Okay, I've kept the quotation there. See, I can keep it anywhere that I want. I can keep it on the top, go to layer, color overlay, and I'm giving a bright color, which could be, except see here, a bright color. And after giving it, I'm giving drop shadow. I'm giving drop shadow. See, now the text looks good. I'm giving the drop shadow. Am I clear to you? You can increase the text or you can decrease the text. You can see, for example, I would like to increase the text a little bit. Okay. Am I clear to you? Right. I have the text now. Okay. Now maybe some other things that if you want to have, if you want to keep any photograph or maybe St. Joseph's College, somewhere here, St. Joseph's College, something like that. So I would like to bring college logo. Okay, I am bringing college logo. I'm taking this, copy, bringing to, it is there with the black color background. So I will have to remove this with the magic wand tool. All of you know. So now using this, what is the layer style can be applied? Layer style. Shall we apply outer glow?
Yes, sir.
Outer glow will fit. Yeah, will fit in. See, I'm applying outer glow and keeping it little somewhere here nearby, small. Okay, I keep it here. I keep it here. Now I want to type St. Joseph's College, Tiruchirappalli. That's all. St. Joseph's College. I've typed it. I want to change the font style. I go to Google. Go to the font style option. I've changed the font. Now I have typed in these two, but the line gap is not that enough. So I increase the line gap. See here, I've kept St. Joseph College Trichy. It can be in some other font. So I go to layer, layers, color overlay, and click any font that you like. I've chosen black color, increase. Am I clear to you? Now you get a feel that it is St. Joseph College Trichy. Now the wallpaper is designed, a simple design, very simple design. You can even go with photographs, you can have buildings and so on. You can have any buildings and so on, right? For example, if you want to take the photo, I am taking a photo. Please see here, I am taking this photo. Maybe I'm taking this photo, this one. Okay, maybe Abdul Kalam. Look at here. See, it is full of this color. Shall we delete the white portion? Yes, of course, we can delete the white one, but it will not be visible. It will not be that visible. So I just would like to go for layer, color overlay, and give any color, white color. See, I've given white color and reduce the opacity. See here. You can get it and it won't be good. It won't be good because it is wireframe actually. It is wireframed image. So if it is with white color only, it will be better. So you can keep it somewhere there in the top or here. Okay, if it is not good, that delete it. I want to go for some other photograph. For example, imagine maybe principal, St. Joseph College principal, St. Joseph's. I want to have the principal's photo, right? I'm just taking the principal's photo, copy, and bringing it to the. Okay, I've got this photograph. Now, how to work out this photo? Now, I want to remove that the background around. So I click Magic Wand tool and click once. Yeah, that's all. It is gone. Now, I want to use eraser tool. See here, eraser tool is here. Eraser. When I click here and choose the brush, choose the nice brush. See here, feathered brush. Increase the diameter. See, when I delete it, see, I can delete it like this. See here. Am I clear? It is not sharp edges, but deleted with the. See here. Am I clear to you? Am I clear to you? See? Am I clear? You can keep see previously it was full, but now we have deleted with the eraser with the flow like this, just cut like this. This is with the eraser. See, it is here. Eraser is here. Eraser. Right? Okay. Fine. Now every design is over. If you want to give a name and things like that, you can give here also even. Right. After editing, I go to File, Save As, and change it, saving it as wallpaper 3. And see photo, usually by default it is we save it as Photoshop file because we can edit it next time. And the image that we want to keep it at the back or at the desktop, it should be saved in JPEG. Just go to File, Save As, and format should be JPEG. Click here, press Save. Okay. Now look at there. When I go here, I have this. See here, the wallpaper is here. See, the wallpaper that you see in the screen has been designed in the morning. Look at here. Has been designed in the morning. It's actually a black color screen. I have put a laptop and St. Joseph's College welcome you. The bouquet that I have put in two sides. Okay. I will also show you that if need be. Right now, I want to change the backdrop. So what should I do? This is our original design. Right click. And when you right click, no, automatically you will have option set as desktop background. When you right click, you will have option set as desktop background. Click over it. See here. See, the desktop has been changed. The desktop has been changed to college. The design that we have done. The similar way you can do for calendar. We will take it up one day. Calendar design also. Calendars also designed in this way only. If you give it this for printing, then they will print as calendar. Okay, but the size has to differ and the resolution should be 300, right? Okay, fine. Do you get it? Right now I show you that model also. The morning, the one that is designed in the morning. Oh, sorry, that is not saved. That was not saved, so couldn't take it up. Right? See, it was the design in the morning. Am I clear? Now the same way, I want to go for new one to design our own background. Go to File, New, and what is the pixel? Can anyone tell me what is the pixel? What is the best pixel? What is the best pixel for widescreen? 1000. 650 into 1050. Okay, it should be 72 only. See, I have this. Now I want to give a border. How do I give a border? Select everything. Control A. I've selected it. Then go to Select, Modify, border. Please make note of it. Select, modify border. Select, modify border. Click over this. See, the pixel that I have given is 50. Once again, to give a border for this white color background, select, modify border. So the pixel that I have chosen is 50. Press OK. Then go to single color, means see, if you fill it, see, it will be in single color. I want to go for double color. So what should I do? I have to choose gradient and choose any color that you want. For example, right now I choose this color. See here what happens. Am I clear to you? The background is set. Now I want to go for my own background, my own design of background. So what should I do? I have to go to Google, right click. I have chosen the background only. So the background area is chosen. Now go to gradient and you can choose the area, whichever gradient that you want. For example, you want to choose this gradient, you can choose. I have chosen this yellow background, yellowish background. See, for example. If it is not good, delete it. No, it doesn't look good. So I go for some other one. So I just go for this. See, I am designing my own. Am I clear to you? So right, I have given the background, a simple background. Right. Now what do? I go to brush and there are so many brush options. I take this star. See here, small stars here and there. I spread small stars here and there. Right, I've done. Now I increase the size of the star. Now the color has been changed. See, the color has been changed. See. Now I go for some other color. Pink color. Okay, I've done it. Now I change the brush. Now there are so many other interesting brush or other designs are available. You can choose any one of these. For example, look at here. Am I clear to you? See? Something like that. So I've done. Now I want to type a single text that happy birthday. That's all. Happy birthday. I just type happy. Maybe when for your birthday or for sons, daughters, or your dad, mom, you can maybe keep it. Happy birthday, daddy. You can keep it in the desktop somewhere. Maybe his photograph can be brought. A text can be designed in some other way. Gray bevel and emboss. See, I have just clicked bevel and emboss. Embossed text. Look at here, embossed text. That's all. Simple design. Maybe photograph can be kept here. Kept here. Now I go to file. After completing the design, go to file, save as, and you can save it first in wallpaper or Photoshop format. And I'll have to design it in JPG format. File, save as, and JPG format. So I click save and it is saved. I go to desktop, I will see that file. I'll be able to see that file. See, this was the file that we have designed previously. Now I want to see, this is the file that recently designed. Right click, set as desktop background. See, very simple design. Applied the background for the computer, for the screen. Am I clear? Applied the background for computer. Right, very simple design. So like this, you can go for any design with text or with the colored photos, with anything that you want. You can bring it to the desktop designing. Also, we are going to see how mobile backdrops can be designed. Right? Now, before going for mobile backdrop size, how should you fix the size? You'll have to go to Google and find out. Or if you know by yourself, no problem. For example, mobile screen size for Realme 1. So, what is the size for Realme 1? See here. 2610 into 1080. 2610 into 1080. This can be the pixel, original pixel, 2160 1080. I go to Google. what was the size? Just look at here. 2160 1080. 2160 1080. 21. So it should be height. It should be height. 2160 into 1080. Okay. Right. The mobile size. Am I clear? Mobile backdrop size. Now I want to go to Google, or I can even design my own. Okay, modern background for mobiles, or creative background. You can also have creative background for mobiles. Creative background for mobiles. You will have so many models. Creative background or model background for mobiles. You can choose any of the background. Creative background for mobile screen. You can check with any designs. Otherwise, go for background. Just go for background. Background images. See, so many images that come. See, shall I choose this one? So I would like to choose this one. See, right click, copy, go paste it here. Almost fitting. The size is almost fitting. So choose a size which is more fitting. Okay. Yeah, I have taken it. Now you do little designing. Maybe some quotations or some pictures or anything. See, I'm just going to add some quotation here. Think well of all. Think well of all. I've got this quotation. I want to have this quotation in white color font. White color font is typed. See here. Think well of all. Speak well of all. I want to change the font. The font has been changed. I want to go for layer style, drop shadow. See, drop shadow is so that the letter is seen well.
Sir, how will it look when we reduce the opacity to the background, sir?
Madam, it will look dull. For example, look at here. I just see here. Are you able to see that?
Yes, sir.
I have reduced the opacity. But for mobiles and all, you need not reduce. You can keep it fully, right? You can keep it fully.
Okay.
Right. I just keep this one. I want to keep it in my mobile screen. Now, what should I do after? If it is in computer, you can easily type. You can easily bring it. But in mobile, how do you bring it? Go to File, Save As, and I just save it as mobile screen. Mobile screen 1, and I'm saving it as JPG file. Save as mobile screen 1, JPG file. Right. I've done it. Now I have to bring this into my computer. Sorry, my mobile. How do I bring it? It can be brought by sending it into mail.
Or WhatsApp.
What is that, madam?
WhatsApp, sir. I can also.
Yeah. WhatsApp also. You can bring it in the WhatsApp also, no problem. But right now, I'm just bringing it in my mail. Mr. Mani, sir, please, are you connected in mobile? I'm sending you a picture to your mobile. You just share your screen. Share your screen. Okay, I think he's not connected. Let me check with my mobile. Okay, see here. I just have it in my mobile. I'm sending this into my mobile. Either in WhatsApp or mail, you bring it into your computer. Okay, right now I've got it. So I've brought it into my. Oh, speak well of a spelling mistake. Okay, I'm sorry. Speak, SP, yeah, okay. Sorry, thank you. Speak well of all, yeah. Okay, I've corrected it. Now, after taking into your mobile, right now I'm not able to do it. After taking into your mobile, take the picture in mobile after downloading, and there will be 3 dots or more option. There will be option for set as background. So if you do that, then it will appear at the background. It will appear at the background. Let me check it. So I've sent it. I'm just going to get connected in my mobile. Kindly wait. I'm just sharing my mobile. I'm sharing my mobile screen. I'm sharing my mobile screen. Kindly wait for some time. Anu Goyal madam, it depends on your screen. Your screen. All the white screen will go 1600 into 900. 1600 and 900 will be okay. And your mobile screen, you will have to check it. Your mobile screen, please check it with Google.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah.
For laptop, 1600 pixels.
Yes,
Pixel,
ma'am.
sir. Okay.
Right now, I'm sharing my mobile. 1 minute. Is my mobile visible to you all?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now I just take it up. Go to file. See, I have mobile screen. Sorry. 1 minute. Yeah, it is there. See, I'm just downloading it. The picture is being downloaded. The picture is getting downloaded. Once it is downloaded, then there is an option to fix it at the background. Okay, we have done it in the computer, and it can be brought in the mobile. See, I have brought in the mobile. Are you able to see that? Are you able to see that?
Yes,
See,
sir.
I brought it in my mobile. So likewise, you can bring it in the mobile by pressing. See here, there are 3 dots on the top. Now click here. You can save it. It can be saved it in the desktop, or share option is there. You can click and put it in WhatsApp, or you can send it to people. You can send it to people. Am I clear to you? You can have anywhere. You can keep it anywhere that you want. For example, there are so many, Instagram, other places. You can share it with your friends. It can be taken to Photoshop. It can be taken anywhere that you want. Am I clear to you? Whatever that we have designed, it appears in the desktop as background. Am I clear? Right. Have you all got it? Any clarification?
Sir, can I know the size for
What is that?
mobile background, sir? Mobile background, what is the size in Photoshop, sir?
My dear, mobile background, see, it depends. See, I just give it here. For example, look at here. I just said, no, for example, screen size of Realme 1. Realme 1.
Sir, your screen is not shared, sir.
You just try, yeah, I'll share it. So you will have to take it from the internet. Bala, what is your mobile size, mobile screen size? If you don't know, just go to background. See, screen size of Realme 1. See here, it comes 2160 into 1080. 2160 into 1080. Okay. Redmi mobile resolution is 23 40 into 1080. So likewise, you will get it. If you give the name, it will give you the resolution. If you want to know your computers, you can go for example, screen size for wide screen. Screen size for wide
And sir,
screen.
resolution?
Resolution, it should be, what should be the resolution? Please tell me, madam. What should be the resolution? Should
Sir,
be
72 to 100?
Yeah, 100. Yes, exactly. See here. See the screen size. See 720 into 576. There are so many resolutions are available. You can choose the resolution according to the wide screen.
Okay, sir.
Okay, according to the wide screen. Okay. See the screen sizes are available here. You can go for 1600 into 1200, 1600 into 900. These are all various screen sizes are available. You can choose any one of these screen sizes. And the resolution is supposed to be 700, right? For time being, you can go for 1600 into 900. If you have wide screen, 1600 width and 900 for height. For mobiles, please check it with your computer. Check it with the internet. You will have for your own mobile. Okay, now you can ask for your clarification. You can ask for your clarification.
So this can be also printed and put it behind the mobile.
Yes, of course. Of course.
How do you do that, sir?
Madam, you will have to tell them, tell the shopkeeper. There are different printers, madam. There are different printers.
But
See,
have we to
you
change
will
the
have to
file?
identify. You will have to identify the printer. For example, the first it can be mobile back case, no?
Yeah.
Mobile back case printers are there. You will have to find them in the city. Mobile back case printers. If you give them, if you send them a file, they will print it and send you back. For example, even in Google, you will find them. Mobile, see here. Mobile back case.
So we can't see your screen.
I'm just sharing 1 minute. Mobile back case printer. See here, mobile back case printer at Amazon. See, you can even buy this printer. It will automatically print. See here, are you able to see this? This is only 18,000 rupees. If any student is interested, you can get this and you can print and give them. See, you can print anything. See here, simple print. Now, printer online. See here, mobile back case printing online. Mobile back cover printing. See, live frame printing for phone. So you can send it once you design it and send it to them. They will print. You will find even at city also.
But sir, have you to change the resolution and the file number?
The resolution, yeah. If you're going for printing, you'll have to increase the resolution to 300.
Okay,
if you're using it in the computer itself, then it is 72 to 100. If you're using it for some other purpose, for example, printing it in the mobile or printing it in the some other places or surfaces in the screen, you will have to go for 300 resolution. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you. Any other clarification? Dear professors, any other clarification? I shall share the attendance. You can also, by the way, you can just give me your queries. Now, tomorrow, we will go for book cover design, book design, book cover design, book cover page design, book cover page design or front page design, whatever it may be, book cover design. We will also go for watermark. Have you heard of watermark? Sorry, bookmark. I'm sorry, not watermark, bookmark.
Yes, sir.
Bookmark.
Yes,
You can supply to your friends. For example, you can print 100 cards and you can supply it to your friends with maybe happy new year or during new year or during some other time. Maybe printing all the full calendar, you can distribute to them. We will see that tomorrow, right? Now I shall share the attendance. Those of you who would like to ask for clarification, you're welcome. I'm waiting for your queries. I'm waiting for your queries. Attendance is given. Any clarification? Are you comfortable with designing your own mobile screen cover or maybe the desktop screen for computers, laptop, even for laptop, no? On the top of the laptop, on the top cover of the laptop, you can print the same. The printers are available. For that also, if you're going, you will have to go for 300. Resolution alone should be changed. Other things are same. The resolution alone should be changed. Other things are same. But when you go for printing the desktop to be pasted on the top, you measure it with a scale. You measure it better, you measure it with a scale and go ahead. Because for keeping it at the backdrop, there is no problem. For keeping it at the backdrop, there is no problem at all. But for printing exactly for, pasting it on the top of the mobile or computer, you will have to know the exact size. It is better that we know exact size.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Kanna.
Sir, can I present my screen, sir?
Yes, please present it, Pa. You're welcome.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Please have hands on. I want you to please stay back up to 6:30. Please do not go away after filling the attendance. Please stay back up to 6:30. I want you to have hands-on experience. Very good, very good. Is that you designed, Pa?
Yes, sir.
Very good, nice, Pa. Do it yourself. Believe in yourself. Very good. You involve some design, Pa. Maybe your own photo or something like that you can bring. Yeah, very good.
That
It looks
one
good.
I brought, sir.
So you brought your own. Very good, very good,
Yes,
Pa. Very
sir.
good. And the text also you put it? Text you put it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good, very good, very good. Excellent, Kanna. Excellent. Nice.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, dear. Anybody has designed, you can present it.
Sir, shall I?
Yeah, present. Please. Feel free. So see, you can make business out of it. For example, mobile cover designs are done here. If you buy a mobile cover design printer, it costs about 20,000 rupees. Youngsters are behind mobile case printers. So if you keep it, and even evenings when you are free, you can design it with a photograph and you can charge 200, 300 rupees. The youngsters can pick up this idea. I'm not getting it, dear. See, you just open your PowerPoint. Yeah. Anybody would like to present? Anybody has got it ready can present. Yes, Rameshwar. You have set it as a background. Just minimize it. Minimize the screen. Minimize. No, minimize that screen also. Minimize that screen. Let me check. No, minimize it. Minimize Photoshop. Just want to check whether you have set it in the backdrop. Minimize that. Have you set it? Is it your own background? I think you have not designed. Have you designed it or Rameshwar?
Let's see my screen also.
Yeah, sure. Sure, madam. You're welcome. Yeah, madam, you share your screen, madam. Please share your screen.
Okay,
So make a beautiful design and keep it in their desktop or in mobile. Immediately your own design. See, instead of keeping available design, you can keep your own design.
Can you see, sir?
Yeah, yes, madam. I'm able to see. You have kept it in the desktop, madam.
Yes,
Yeah, that's
sir.
great. Nice design, madam. Yeah. Happy birthday, Dad.
Remove this layer 5.
Madam.
How can I remove this layer 5?
So F7. Press F7. Press F7.
Then layer 5 will be removed.
No. If you want, you can bring it back. No problem. F7. Press F7.
Okay.
Yeah. Afterwards, you press again F7. Then it will be okay.
Otherwise, it is okay, sir.
Yeah. Nice, madam.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Josephine, madam, you can leave, madam. No problem. The class is over. Only for hands-on we are having. Anybody would like to present it? Anybody would like to present? Tomorrow we will see book cover design and bookmark. We'll see one day. Book cover design and bookmark. Tomorrow we will see book cover design and bookmark. Yeah. If you want, you can leave. Those of you are designing, you can show us now. If you have learnt it, you can leave. See, I want you to use proper colors, nice photographs. You use beautiful photographs, text, colors. It should look good. Madam, Miranda Lakshmi, madam, attendance is shared, madam. I've shared the attendance. Please fill the attendance. You can fill the attendance.
Okay.
Yeah, I've shared the attendance, madam. Thank you, madam. See, do not give up. All of you are excellently designing. I'm very happy with your designs. I want you to try continuously. Immediately try this. Today, if you have done this, no, you spend some 20 minutes or half an hour. Immediately try this. You will get perfection in the designing. You will certainly get perfection in the designing.
Sir, shall I present my screen, sir?
Yeah, please, madam.
Is my screen visible, sir?
Yeah, you designed it.
Yes, sir.
Very good, but you have brought it. No, there's no design aspect. Very good. It's really good. Be strong. The letter that you have put. Okay. See, I would warmly appeal to you all. With background, you can put some text with pictures, or you can create your own background. Completely create your own background. Okay, that will be better. Yeah. Some colorful backgrounds.
Sir?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Sir, I have completely created my background. That's what I'm showing.
Yeah, sir. Just show it to me.
Oh, yes, sir.
Yeah. Show me that. Others also can please try to share your screen so that others will be inspired.
Sir, can you see now?
No, dear. Just minimize it, pa.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, dear. Very good. It looks nice. It
Thank
looks
you.
different. Is it your own design?
Yes, sir.
Good. Excellent. Yeah. Nice design.
Thank you.
Nice. Anybody else? Anybody has done it? Looking forward to your designs. Anybody with creative designs?
Sir, can I show?
Yeah, please. Everyone, anybody can show. I'm waiting for that only. Others will be motivated. You designed it, Bala? Oh, this one. Fine. Nice it is. Is it your own photograph that you have taken or from the internet? Bala, is it your own background?
So am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible, dear.
Yes, sir. I made a small changes in that lighting, sir. That's it, sir.
Oh, very good, dear. Very good. You can completely change it. See, don't use it as it is. You can completely change it by giving a quotation or changing the color. You can change the color completely. For example, look at here. You just stop. You can change the color even.
Okay, sir.
For example, look at here. I would like to change the color of that background that we have designed. See mobile, no, I just choose that background or this layer. Go to image. I have taught you in image, hue saturation. See, entirely the color has been changed. See here. I am able to change the color.
So can
Am I
you
clear?
Your presentation is not this way.
1 minute, yeah. Look at here. It was originally like this. See, now I go to layer, image, adjustments, hue saturation. See here, I adjust a little bit. Am I clear to you? See?
Okay, sir. Okay.
See, different colors I can get. See, I can make it black and white completely. See, you can choose a picture and make it black and white or particular portion. For example, see only this part alone completely black and white. So what should I do? I have to choose this part. See, I have chosen this part and go to image, hue saturation. You can adjust it. See here, this part alone completely saturated. See here, black and white. So particular portion alone can be in black and white, and the other portion can be in full colors. Saturate the color. Maybe see the figure. Human alone can be in color. All the others can be saturated. Am I clear to you? Okay. Am I clear to you? For example, look at here. I just. See, for example, look at here. I want to take this one, the background entirely. Go to image, hue saturation. See, I make everything is saturated. See here. Only this alone, the photograph and the picture, maybe the photo of father or the principal is kept in, other things are in black and white. So you can choose a particular area and make the change. Am I clear to you? See, I tell you. Yeah. See, for example, I'm choosing only this area, this tree alone. Okay. See, I can choose this. I go to image, hue saturation. See, only a particular area can be kept in the black and white color in the picture. Okay. You can have like this. So be creative in your design. Yeah. Yes, madam. Yes, madam. Tell me, madam.
Yes, I'll share my screen.
Yeah, please.
I'll share my screen, sir.
Yeah, please.
I have
please,
a doubt.
Yeah, please, madam. Please share me. I want Madam Miranda Lakshmi to start an add-on course in your college.
Yes, sir.
Next semester on this, because people will enjoy this.
Yes, I'm planning for that.
Yeah, yes, madam. Please. Please share your screen, madam.
Yes, sir.
Those of you who would like to share, you can share. Kindly wait. Why? What happened, madam? Maybe your network is quite slow, madam, because I'm not able to get you properly.
Yes, it's very poor, I think. Yes.
Yeah, network is maybe.
Sir, actually, whatever the image I'm pasting, it is in black and white, sir. What is the reason, sir?
Oh,
whatever the image from Google and I'm pasting it is in black and white.
The thing is that, madam, the color mode is different. See, for example, you just start new one, madam. Start new one. Go to file. Go to file. I just share my screen, madam. See, for example, is my screen visible, madam? When I go start a new file, no? If it is not, see, if it is grayscale is chosen, see, look at here. If the grayscale is chosen, then all the image that you bring in will be in black color. I mean, grayscale only. Okay, madam. So you'll have to choose RGB or CMYK or some other mode. Okay. if you want to change it, go to image, existing file means go to image size, and change it here.
Sir.
Yes, madam. Yes, madam. Tell me, madam. Yeah, madam, I am not able to get you. Madam? Sorry, madam. Sorry, madam, I am not getting you properly. Please text me, madam. Madam, kindly text me, madam. So all the others can leave. It is 6:30. We may leave. You may leave. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Sir, I want to show you my screen.
Nice, madam. Very nice. Nice background. You can set it at your back. Oh, you have set it already. Very good, madam. It looks nice.
Thank you, sir.
Have some text, madam. Have some text. It will be
Yes,
good.
sir.
Yeah.
I'm writing. I'm writing.
Yeah. Very nice. Hari Srinivasan, sir. Yes, sir. Please, sir. Hari Srinivasan, sir. Yes, sir. Hari Srinivasan, sir. What should I do for you?
Now please share your screen and say me, sir. And my network was disconnected.
Yeah, yes, madam. See, madam, is my 1 minute.
Yes, sir.
Is my screen visible, madam?
It's pressed, sir.
Yeah. See, go to file, madam. When you create a file, no? See, the color mode supposed to be.
No, I'm not able to see, sir. No, sir, I'm not able to see. Okay, sir.
See, the color mode supposed to be RGB or CMYK, madam, not grayscale. If it is in grayscale, all that you bring will be in gray color. For example, I just click this thing. See, I just take this image. See, for example, this is only color image. See, I am taking this. See what happens. See, it is in black. See, I am taking this. This one. See what happens. See, it is in black color. So all that you bring now, it will be in black color. So you'll have to change the color mode. Yes, madam.
Color mode. Actually, color mode is RGB only, sir. It's RGB and 8-bit.
Really, madam? Then
Is there any other problem, sir?
no, you just show me, madam. If you could show me, then it will be. You just go with the new file. You can go with new file, madam. See, madam, here you can change. See here, you can change it. Next time when I bring it, see the same file I can change. See this time I've got it. Am I clear? Earlier it was black and white. Now I am able to get it. See here. Now you go to image, madam, mode on the top. Change it from here. Image mode. You can change it from grayscale to RGB. Hari Srinivasan, sir, what should I do? Attend my example. Yes, ma'am. Yes. You want me to test what exam, sir? One word or?
I got it, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. Thank you, madam. Hari Saravanan, sir. Hari Srinivasan, sir. What do you want me to check, sir? One word. Okay. What is your number? What is your number, sir? Sir, what is your number? 20 VGD 113. So what is your email ID, sir? Please tell me your email ID, sir. Hari Prue. Okay, yeah. Yes, sir. Are you getting it? See, this is your screen. Your score is 10, sir. Your score is 10. The one gradient overlay is correct. Actually, your score is 10. Okay. Okay, sir. Your score is 10, sir. Thank you. Good. Okay. If you have no clarification, then we shall call it a day. Thank you very much, all of you. Let us have a beautiful design today. Yeah. Have a beautiful design. Yeah. Beautiful design of your screen and your mobile. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, dears. Thank you all. Thank you. Thank you, all of you. You will have your exercise today. Yeah. Manish sir, please stop recording, sir.